Okay, since we've already talked about how to set up the guide rail brackets, we're going to move on to the dashboard discussion and put together the rest of the crosscut set. So the next thing to do is install the fences. And these are the standard side mount fences. So that's some very simple hardware that we use throughout all of our products. Simple T-nut and a knob. And we'll just put that in the top track. And just slide this down gently until it contacts the mounting plate of the rear bracket. And tighten the knobs. Same thing with the short fence on this end. And with this one, you don't really need to contact the rear bracket. You want to leave about 1 inch of space between the fence and the cutting edge of your guide rail. Once again, tighten the knobs. Now, before these leave our facility on their way to customers, everything is calibrated and aligned so that we have a continuous line along the fences. And this is where we get to talk about a special feature of the guide rail brackets that is only available if you buy a dashboard. So this is the mounting plate that comes with the guide rail brackets, and you can see it's this black piece here and this black piece here. So that's the foundation of the whole setup. We have a variety of mounting holes for different types of tables. And this notch, you'll notice, is cut out. Now, if you buy anything but a dashboard, your mounting plates will come with the notch down. If you buy the dashboard, we put it this way. And so the notch is meant to leave space for your blade, because what we're doing in this case is raising the mounting plate slightly above the plane of the tabletop. So the mounting plate becomes part of the fence. And this prevents workpieces from pivoting under pressure of the blade, because the blade's pushing this way during a cut. And this is a problem with a lot of other systems, and so this is how we've dealt with it. So the plate is the fence. This also allows you to cut very short pieces that don't even touch the fences. So you can always be assured that you're working safely. And so what we can see here, if we look closely, is here's a example workpiece, slide it along the edge of the table, and it hits that plate. So you can see that the plate's just a little bit above the tabletop, but it's enough to work. We don't want it to be too high, because then we won't be able to drop this down onto thinner materials. Right now, you can cut down to a 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter thick material without interference from this plate being raised. And so you'll see this piece is short enough that it doesn't touch either fence, but I could cut that no problem because it's touching the base plate. Same thing if I want to cut a narrow piece, register it against there and use some of our other stops to control it if it's very wide. And you can basically rip narrow pieces this way if you want to also. And so that's the explanation for the special cutting position of the dashboard version of the guide rail brackets. Thank you.